In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote affiliate links on Reddit. Reddit rewards usefulness and honesty, so the key is to help first and link second. Start by logging into your account. In the top right, click the plus create button to open the post creation page. At the top, use the drop-down to choose the community you want to post in. Pick subreddits where your content is genuinely relevant, like deal sharing communities, niche product spaces related to what you're promoting, or ongoing threads that specifically invite recommendations or reviews. Before you write anything, check the community rules. Many subreddits have clear guidelines on self-promotion, affiliate links, required flares, or designated days and mega threads. Respecting those rules is the difference between a helpful post and a quick removal. Next, add your post title and then your body text. Lead with value. Write a helpful review, a side-by-side comparison, or a problem-solving walkthrough that someone would find useful even without a link. Explain your experience, results, and what surprised you, and include concrete insights like pros, cons, and who the product is best for. Do not start with the affiliate link. Only include a link if it's truly useful in the context you've just provided. When you do include it, be transparent and disclose it clearly. A simple line works. This post includes an affiliate link. I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Keep your tone straightforward and avoid hype so readers trust your recommendation. A safer approach is to use indirect linking. Publish a blog post, guide, or detailed review on your own site with the affiliate links inside that content. Then, in your Reddit post, summarize the key points and link to that resource. This gives you room to provide full context, aligns better with many subreddit rules, and reduces the chance your post gets flagged. Avoid spam behavior at all costs. Don't copy-paste the same message across multiple subreddits. Don't post repetitively, and always tailor your post to the community's expectations. If a subreddit only allows recommendations in a weekly thread, use that thread. Authentic participation beats link dropping every time. Remember, provide value first. Don't lead with the affiliate link, disclose clearly, use niche and relevant subreddits, and avoid spammy or repetitive posting. When everything looks good, click post at the bottom right to publish. That's it. Follow these principles and you'll build trust while responsibly sharing affiliate links on Reddit.